Thank you so much, and thank you so much for you to coming here after facing a lot of troubles from your mom, and in this COVID situation. Thank you so much for coming.
And it's worth the wait.
Yeah.
Okay, so in today's segment, we'll be asking few questions. So let's quickly begin. So the first question that we would like to ask is that tell us something that how you started your acting journey. Like as we read also that you were a gym trainer, so you wanted to come into acting. So we'd like to know more about it.
So for me, I have started acting when I was in second standard. So and I made my mind there that no matter what, I don't have a plan B. I want to become an actor. That's it. I don't have any plan B. Like people used to say कि you actor बनना आसान नहीं होता. And when I came Mumbai, a guy, a very a familiar guy to me, and I was a friend of, he's a friend of friend, and he said कि कहाँ आ गए तुम, काम वाम थोड़ी मिलता है यहाँ पे, ऐसे बेटा लाखों में से एक को काम मिलता है, क्यों आ गए यहाँ पे. I didn't said anything. I said okay bro, okay bro, I'll try. And after a week, I just went to their place and I just told him like this, and he said ठीक है टीवी सीरियल वगैरह है, ठीक है कर ले, क्या हुआ, छोटा मोटा है. धर्मा वर्मा से फ़ोन आए तो बताना. And after a month, I got a call from Dharma for the look test of a movie. I cannot disclose it right now. And coincidentally, it is karma maybe, वो कॉल उसी बंदे के सामने आया जब मुझे धर्मा का कॉल आया. तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है. सो तो एक्टिंग करियर मेरा ऐसे ही स्टार्ट हुआ. आई वाज वर्किंग इन अ प्रोडक्शन हाउस इन मुंबई, एंड आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट गिवन 100 to 150 ऑडिशंस, और मुझे काम नहीं मिल रहा था. एंड आई नो, एंड आई वॉज नॉट अपसेट कि मुझे काम नहीं मिल रहा, बिकॉज आई नो दैट आई एम नॉट गुड एट एक्टिंग, एंड आई एम स्टिल नॉट गुड एट इट. I am just doing what I think what is need, because I don't think that I'm a very nice and very great actor. I'm not a great actor. I have just started. अभी 1 साल हुआ है मुझे काम करते हुए, तो मुझे नहीं लगता, और पहले भी मुझे नहीं लगता था कि मुझे काम नहीं मिल रहा, तो ठीक है. So I was taking that audition process as my learning process. Like because I'm not going to a theater class and I don't have money to go to big acting schools. So I was taking that as my learning class. So yeah, I have learned a lot from auditions, and after 100 and maybe 150 auditions, I got this part, and I'm very lucky. Alhamdulillah.
So was the same story that how you got Angre's role?
Yeah, it is the same story, because it is a different story. Beyond Dreams called me for Kabir's audition first. I gave it and they didn't like it, because as I told you, I'm not good at acting. And at that time, like you have seen, they have casted Vishal Vashit for that, and Vishal Vashit, everyone knows he's a great actor, and I am like, he's out of my league. So us time pe then they said ke try Aryan, but it didn't work on me as well. Then and Angre was like, I got the script, my coordinator, my manager gave me the script that Angre bhi rakh apne paas. But I went to the production house. They said कि no, Angre is not for you. Just go. The RN is okay. We'll let you know. मतलब they said कि हाँ ठीक है जाओ, हो गया. We'll let you know. Then after I got a call कि let's try Angre and just दे दो, हम देख लेंगे बाद में. And then after a day मुझे वापस बुलाया गया कि एक बार Angre का और दे. And that casting director said कि that Upendra, he's a really good friend of mine. Now he said कि ठीक है भाई, फिर मिलते हैं contracted time. And I was like what? Seriously? कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड है, मतलब किस चीज़ का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, काम मिल गया मुझे क्या? मतलब ठीक है भाई, थैंक यू.
Okay, so now as recently show shifted to OTT platforms, so when the cast got to know about it, so what thoughts came in your mind, like how was your reaction on it?
At first I was not shocked, मतलब I was confused कि what is this, like I don't understand properly what is that. Then after a day, I came to know that we are shifting to an OTT platform and we are going to become a web show. So the boundaries will be much bigger than the last time, because when you're doing a TV serial, so you have to follow those protocols which you can avoid a little bit in OTT. So yeah, it is a very great opportunity for all of us. And one more thing, because the whole youngsters of India are on digital platforms, and because they are not, I don't think any youngster, even me, is bothering to open their televisions to handle a remote, you know. So they are all on, they just want everything on their phones, and we are on their phones. अब तो देखोगे, कब देखोगे, अब नहीं देखोगे तो.
And वो तो है because show online
Yeah,
TRP में भी
and online TRP, yeah, absolutely.
So now talking about the cast and all. So if you have to name one person who's the most entertaining one of the set.
Rahul Sudhir.
Okay. So if you have to describe your bond with the cast, maybe like in a one word or a sentence.
With the cast or with the single individual person?
Yeah, like one by one if you can.
Rahul bhai, real brother. Like he's like a real brother to me. And Vishal bhai, he's also, I can say a brother. So very supportive, very positive guy. Manasvi, a very good friend. Ishani, very good friend. Manasvi is Aryan, हाँ. And Chachi, she's like my elder sister. Yeah. And Anupriya, she's a very good friend of mine. और कोई बचा है क्या? दादी बची है, दादी बहुत डेंजर है. Haley is my best friend.
Okay. So if you have any free time on set or on your day off, how do you like to spend it?
I like to spend it watching movies, because I really like to, I want to see ये जो इतने बड़े बड़े एक्टर्स बने हैं, ये क्या करके बने हैं, व्हाट डिड दे डू, क्या करते क्या हैं ये लोग, क्या ये लोग ऐसा क्या करते हैं, ये लोग कि इतना अच्छा कुछ कर जाते हैं. बिकॉज वो लाइन्स हमको भी वही लाइन्स मिलती हैं एंड उनको भी वही लाइन्स मिलती हैं. रोना सबको आता है, हंसना सबको आता है, गुस्सा करना सबको आता है, बट दिस इज टफ, नॉर्मल इज टफ. लाइक if you are doing a normal conversation and still those actors, like those legendary actors, are doing with a grace, I want to explore that. I want to go to the core of it कि भाई इतना ऐसे कैसे कर लेते हैं लोग. So I like watching movies all the time. I love completing a web series also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you have to tell about any one particular memory, any off-screen memory which is maybe memorable or funny from the set.
From the set?
Yeah, with anyone.
With anyone,
Shooting करते कुछ ऐसा funny moment, or as you guys keep teasing Harry.
Yeah, I think I have a lot of moments like that. मैं बता भी नहीं सकता, इतने सारे हैं, रोज़ ही कुछ ना कुछ होता ही है. Let me think. I think we have made a video also that we were just having lunch here and Haley just came inside and said कि मेरा lunch नहीं खुल रहा. And we were just banging and doing everything which is possible to, you know, open her lunchbox. And finally, after a lot of struggle, we opened her lunchbox, and that moment of pride, that moment of victory was on our face. So बस सबसे मतलब एक बहुत अच्छा moment था हमारा वो भी, but memorable moment था.
Okay. So is there any best compliment that you have ever received, like maybe after doing the show, from any other fan or maybe family relatives?
Yeah, like I've been hearing and seeing all those posts and screenshots जहाँ पे सब बोलते हैं एक्सप्रेशन किंग. आई डोंट नो मुझे ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं, तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा सा लगता है और कभी कभी वियर्ड भी लगता है. भाई कहीं मज़े तो नहीं ले रहे हो, सही में अच्छा कर रहा हूँ क्या, तो बस कभी कभी लगता है ऐसा.
Okay. So same I would like to ask you that when somebody recognizes you कि अरे ये तो आगरे है, he's from Ishme Marjana, so how does that feel?
I don't know, man. I don't know how to react on that. It happened with me. I was with a friend, a very special friend of mine, and I was in a mall, and a guy and a girl, a little guy and like kids came and said, "Can we have a picture with you?" And I was in a mask. I was fully covered, and I was wearing cap, and I don't know how they just recognized me and said, "Can I have a picture with you?" I was like, "आप जानते हो मुझे, मैं कौन हूँ?" हाँ, आप आंगरे हो. मैंने कहा आपको कैसे पता चला, तो मैं फिर आई क्लिक पिक्चर विद दोस्त. एंड आई डोंट नो, सीरियसली आई डोंट नो हाउ टू रिएक्ट. क्या करूँ अब मैं, ये तो पहचान गए मुझे.
Okay, so coming to the second last question, we would like to know any current favorite song of yours, but with a twist that you have to sing.
I know that. I saw that coming. See, वैसे तो आई थिंक सारे गाने अच्छे होते हैं, मुझे सारे गाने पसंद हैं, But my personal favorite is, I think, agar if I have to choose one, but it is very tough to sing. I cannot sing right now that song, Sayyoni, that is Ali Azmat Sayyoni, चैन एक पल नहीं, because अभी मैंने शायद एक हफ्ते से राहुल भाई हम लोगों ने भी कोई वीडियो नहीं बनाया है, तो मेरी अभी आवाज़ मैंने बहुत टाइम से प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया है, तो आई थिंक मैं नहीं गा पाऊँगा वो गाना तो या
So lastly, any message that you would like to give to fans?
Yeah, so thank you so much guys for constantly loving us and हम एक चीज़ तो मुझे समझ आ चुकी है कि हम लोग कुछ भी कर लें, आप लोग हमेशा हमारे साथ ऐसे ही बने रहेंगे, ऐसे ही हमको प्यार करते रहेंगे एंड वो कमेंट्स भी जो मतलब आते हैं सब हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं सारे कमेंट्स को पढ़ने की, और कुछ कभी कभी कुछ लोग थोड़ा रूड हो जाते हैं, तो मैं वो भी पढ़ के खुश होता हूँ कि ठीक है यार, इफ़ आई थिंक वो कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं बट स्टिल दे नो यू ना, दे नो दैट यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, एंड वो कभी कभी हो जाता है किसी का, क्योंकि आपका अटैचमेंट एक कैरेक्टर के साथ इतना हो जाता है जो रेयांश के साथ है, वंश के साथ है एंड आंग्रे के साथ है, तो उसके साथ कुछ गलत होता है तो बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि ईशानी से डिवोर्स लो। आई मीन व्हाट, सीरियसली क्यों डिवोर्स ले लूँ भाई मैं, मतलब तो मैं उन सब से कहना चाहूँगा कि प्लीज़ हैव पेशेंस एंड ऐसे ही देखते रहिए, ऐसे ही प्यार करते रहिए और बस। थैंक यू।
Best wishes to you and the whole team, and once again thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to you too. Hi, this is Zainabad Khan and you are watching me on Famezo. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.